it's Tony Rueda here. I've got this new product that I'm very excited to show you all. So the product you see behind me is the 6000K LED shower niche light kit, brought to you by Thunder Bunny Company. And I'm going to go ahead and tell you a little bit about the installation of this product here. So first off, you want to have a dedicated switch, your light switch running from there. You want to run your power down and over and install your LED driver box. Here is the driver box, and we've got our 110 volt coming in here. It converts it over into our low voltage line, which leads all the way out to the LED light kit. You want to run your LED wire up and over and drop down into the shower niche. Alright guys, so we have our shower niche built. It's all waterproofed. We've got our waterproofing membrane all set. The thing you want to note about this is you want to keep a channel right in here. That way your aluminum channel can fit right in. And you want to leave a spacing between the back wall of the niche and the channel. That way you can slide your backsplash tile right behind it, and it'll give you a cleaner installation. Again, we have about a 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch of a channel here. We're going to set our backsplash in first, and then we will set our aluminum LED channel right in here over it. And there you have it. This kit comes with a rail, it comes with the LED strip, and it comes with a cover. That way, later on down the road, if anything happens, you can always pop this little cover off and switch out your light strip. This is completely waterproof, and it is shower safe. Okay, so one last thing to note. The LED light strip behind me is a 4000K, and you want to match it with the lights in your existing bathroom or in your remodel. So the can lights up top are 6000K, which makes this 4000K look a little bit yellowish, but when we turn off the lights in the bathroom, it makes it look a little bright white. Alright, so you guys want to just take that into consideration when you're doing your remodel and you're picking your LED light strip. Again, those are bright white 6000K, and the LED strip is 4000K. And if you guys like what you see and you want any work done, I can be found and reached at www.texasrenovation.construction. Thank you.